news. International news. Russian President Vladimir Putin European to side a European Assange. US President Donald Trump signing order the recall June has less danger. National news. Winter season of a parliament after passing billing including Viktis Bharat G Ram G bill. Yoga has a show world parts a health balance as a PM Modi at whose goal unit. India State contact win to top hours of a NASA Space Apps 2025. State news. Andhra Pradesh education of a contact FA3 examination from the January 5 to 8. Government order to language program today in all governments prevent schools college in the states. Government named the Jal Jeevan message JJM water grid message shim trips to Putis. Sport news. India defeated South Africa by 30 runs in the fifth final T20 Ahmedabad. GK question. Today GK question. Which India city is called a city? Answer. Hyderabad, Telangana. Thank you.